Hi, this is Betty Traciak from kittystamp.blogspot.com with a tutorial for a 3D frame display. This display is freestanding. It's very simple to make and it has a lot of design possibilities. Supplies needed to make this are cardstock, which are cut 5 3/4 inches by 8 1/2 inches, and then 3 3/4 inches by 8 1/2 inches. You'll also need a scoreboard, adhesive. It can be either strip or tape adhesive, a big shot dies, and then any supplies that you'd like for decorations. Begin by scoring the larger piece of cardstock 1/2 inch from each edge. Then choose 3 big shot dies and center those in between the score lines. I use Post-it notes to hold those in place when I'm running that through the big shot. I've already done that, so I'm going to remove these now. Next, you need to fold on the score lines. And then apply adhesive to those flaps. Adhere the paper to the back of one side of the backing. And then curve this piece over and adhere the other flap to the other side. I get that started on this side and then I reach through underneath and press that down. And that's all there is to it. From here you can add any decorations and any stamped images that you would like. On the original one, you can see that I did a variety of die cuts. Some of these I colored in on the inside. I have pieces of DSP that I cut out. I added embellishments and some twine. Some of that's popped up on dimensionals to give that quite a bit of 3D effect even on the inside. On this example here, I used just one big shot die and I ran that through the first time and then took it out, placed it, ran it through again, and then again for the third to be able to have these 3 identical. Then I used that same die to cut the background, and so those would fit right inside of that. Another idea, this one I used a 6x6 piece of paper and used just a single die on this one, and then just like before, this one is scored 1/2 inch from each edge on that 6x6 piece of paper, and then the back is a 4x6 inch piece of cardstock. So as you can see, there are a lot of design possibilities with this. I look forward to seeing your projects.